National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for Northwest Polk County in northwest Georgia, Paulding County in northwest Georgia, Cobb County in northwest Georgia, Fulton County in northwest Georgia, Bartow County in northwest Georgia, Haralson County in northwest Georgia, Douglas County in northwest Georgia, Coweta County in northwest Georgia, DeKalb County in northwest Georgia, Gwinnett County in northwest Georgia, Clayton County in northwest Georgia, Floyd County in northwest Georgia until 5:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located on the ground 2 miles west of Oregon, or near Highway 101, and moving northwest at 25 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard. Damaging tornado. Source. Confirmed by trained weather spotters. Impact. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Oregon, Rockmart, Cedartown, Rome. 2. Repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.